One of the nation's top doctors has declared Australia is on the cusp of defeating coronavirus. The Deputy Chief Medical Officer is advising people to stay home this Easter to make further progress in flattening the curve.
New hope, we're stamping out COVID-19 just 3 months into Australia's fight against the disease.
At the moment, we're probably on the cusp of that.
The nation confirmed its first case in January. Since then, we've recorded more than 6,000, but the spread of the outbreak has been losing steam.
Ideally, where you want to be is below 1, so less than one other person being infected after a person themselves have the infection. And once you get to that point, the virus dies out.
But with a great achievement comes a great challenge. A second wave of infections in winter could put vulnerable people at risk.
It would mean that the most of us would not have been exposed yet, and so we would remain susceptible to the virus if it was to be reintroduced to that area.
Health authorities are regularly reviewing strict social distancing measures as the virus curve flattens, but the Deputy Chief Medical Officer warns now is not the time to be changing the rules.
We're only I calculated it this week, 14 weeks into this virus, so only the first cases in Australia were in mid to late January, so it's only very early.
For now, the medical advice remains unchanged. Australians told to stay safe by staying home.
If you need to go out, keep your distance and minimise that going out to work, to exercise by yourself or in groups of 2, and remember to wash your hands.
Roche Murdoch, Sky News.